Hey, welcome back to episode number 2 of Buying a House in North Carolina. We will be covering how do you actually look for a home. But before we dig into that, if you are new to my channel and you don't know anything about me, my name is Yoana Nin. I am the owner of the Prosperous Agency. I've been serving the Greater Triangle area for 10 years now, and we've helped hundreds and hundreds of family with their home purchase and their home sale. So without further ado, if you like it and if you think it's worth your time, just hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Now let's get down to business. Hey, so how do you look for a home? I guess most of you guys are looking on Zillow, Realtor, Trulia, everything possible, and it's very interesting for me to see. Most days I understand why. It's because it's so much easier as a consumer to just go on Zillow and it's easy to use. It's an interface that is easy to use. However, what I've noticed is that a lot of the homes that are being sent to me before someone hires me as their agent, so we're kind of in between that, hey, I found you online, can you show me this home? They're sending me homes from Zillow or Realtor, Trulia, or all of the websites, Redfin, that show active, however they are under contract, or they can even sometimes show that they're closed, which is rare. However, the best way for you to look for a home is just call an agent, any agent, and just have the agent, ideally me, if you're looking to buy a house here in Raleigh. But please just call an agent and have the agent set up a search for you. The search would come straight from the MLS, and you can see the homes that are listed currently as active there and the ones that will be coming soon on the market. It's very important to get a grip of those that are not active, because the agent can tell you exactly when they're gonna come on the market. The date is right there, they can inform you. There's a lot of new construction, if you haven't noticed, in the area, and some of them are not in the MLS. So an agent is the best resource for you to actually find out what else is out there that you might not be seeing, right? I will give you an example. It's a very, very recent example of a builder that had sent out an email to all of the people that have that were local, right, and went on their site and said, we want to receive a notification, or even just registered on their website. We need to know when you're releasing the garden collection of this builder. So they registered, and as agents, we also know when they're going to release those homes or those plans, those lots, and within 5 minutes they were booked. As in, when my client called and we hopped on the call, in the first minutes we were among the first ones to get in, because we were notified right away. I knew what my clients want, but everyone else that was just, oh, we're gonna get the list or whatever, they didn't get on it. And those were homes that were released in prime Cary location, in that sweet $400,000 to $500,000 price point. It's super hard to get the new construction. So what I'm trying to tell you is that just by looking on Zillow or all of the platforms is not enough. So how and what's the best way to do it is literally, without a joke, just call an agent. Going to the agent discussion, you do not have to have a signed buyer agency agreement with an agent, but I would strongly recommend that you at least have a verbal agreement with an agent, because that agent is motivated, right, to find you the deals, is motivated to know exactly what's on the market first. So you are on the top of that builder's email list. They are also receiving notifications. So in case you want new construction especially, you will be notified first, and so obviously you have higher chances of getting the lot and the house and the floor plan of your dreams. For resale, it's the same thing. If you are not subscribed to the coming soon on all of the platforms that you're checking, you might be missing on a home, and especially in that 150 to 450 price point, because the pricing has been skyrocketing, as I said in my previous videos, just every single month. If you do not see what's coming soon on the market, you might be missing on the house. And really, all you needed to do was call an agent and say, hey, can you please add a search for me? It's really free. Also, you don't owe the agent anything. It's free rep in the state of North Carolina, and that agent will be looking out for you and will have your best interest at mind, okay? Other things that I had added here are how do you choose the right agent? Well, that is a very sensitive subject, and I do not mean to push anyone's buttons by any means, but feel free to obviously look online. Online right now is just the way to go. Just as you are not going to eat from a restaurant that has a 1-star review, I would definitely recommend that you look on the agent's website, you look online at their reviews, ask how long have they been in the business, ask what areas they specialize in. Just keep on asking questions, right? Look on their YouTube channel, look on their Instagram, whatever that agent has. It's very important so that you know for sure that that agent is educated and they've been in the business long enough to actually get you the house of your dreams. And that would be all for right now. If you like the video, smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope you are enjoying the information, and I will see you on the next episodes. But in the meantime, if you would like to know more or to get all the info faster, or if you're ready to buy a house, schedule an appointment with me. The link should be down there somewhere. Take care. Talk to you soon.